G'day guys, it's Rob from TAT. Just a super quick tip today from us, so stick with us. So guys, this one is just a quick video on making sure that we are all doing pre-scan reports on any vehicle we work on. More so as a fail-safe thing for us. We obviously want to make sure that we pick up anything that the customer's not aware of and save it on the system, and obviously to avoid any comebacks with the old, since you did my service, the engine light's on and it wasn't on before. So, with this day and age, we've all got scan tools that can create, fantastic health reports, and we should be emailing it to ourselves. You can even, I think some of the Autels and stuff like that can actually send them to a mobile number. But what we do is we're all probably using professional workshop software for our vehicles. So we use workshop software, and we can actually, print the health report, email it to ourselves, and then we actually save the PDF on the system. And a really good example is this Hyundai Palisade that we've got here. So we've got the vehicle in, and we did the code check, and as you can see here, we've gone through the system for the smart scan, and then we've gone and found a couple of codes. And obviously, this vehicle's still on the new car warranty, and now we've got this information we can pass on to the customer, and the customer can take that to Hyundai and obviously get a possible repair done before the vehicle goes out of warranty. Save them any big costs after the warranty's finished, obviously. So that's obviously a really good point for our customers, to make sure that we're going through these things and giving them information that they might not know otherwise. So hopefully that's a good thing for you guys to take on board if you're not doing it already. If you think this is a really good thing, even drop in the comments of why you do it and what scan tools you're using for it anyway. So others can jump on board and see the same thing. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.